wonderful 4-bedroom home in top-rated D20 school district. And it's move-in ready. The charming front porch is so inviting. Living room boasts contemporary colors with soaring ceiling. Formal living room is bright and airy with beautiful front window. Dramatic view of living room and entryway from upper level. Cozy and bright formal dining room offers walkout to back patio. Warm kitchen offers an abundance of cabinets and counter space. All appliances stay. The kitchen includes an informal dining area and warm wood flooring. Don't you love to look outside when working in the kitchen? Open kitchen flows into the spacious family room, just a few steps away. This grand family room with vaulted ceiling offers a walkout to the back patio. Enjoy a warm, cozy fire in the wood-burning fireplace on those cold winter days while relaxing in the family room. The open family room with adjacent kitchen is perfect for entertaining family and friends. Powder room is conveniently located off the family room. Upper-level spacious master bedroom has a large window and vaulted ceiling. Master bedroom grants entry to a full bath. Master bath includes a soaking tub and separate shower. Master bath has a vaulted ceiling too. Large vanity in master bath has plenty of counter space and storage. Upper level full hall bath. Upper level offers dramatic view of family room. Basement is currently used as a bedroom and office. It could be a large rec room for the kids. Basement full bath. View of back of house.